Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Sick Moron. Today I'll be collaborating with Jeff Mario. Jeff, and say hi,
Hey
don't be
guys,
rude.
so this is I don't know which channel this is going up on. Hopefully Sekmaron because I haven't been here for a long time. But yep, hi guys.
Today we'll be reacting to the weirdest, cringiest food combinations ever. And this is probably going to be really cringe to look at if you're a die-hard foodie. So brace yourselves, carry a plastic bag with you in case you want to puke, because these food combinations are freaking weird. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first one is whipped cream cheese and flaming hot Cheetos. Are you freaking kidding me?
Uh, if you're getting this, you're either getting diarrhea or either you have mental sickness.
Ah,
So
frick. I can't
it's
look at
either
it.
one.
I can't look at it. Like how must it taste? Like to have whipped cream cheese and flaming hot Cheetos. Both are literally
I think they use the Cheetos as a spoon to the thing. I mean, either way it's weird, but
okay.
why?
I didn't need a
Why
full
would
description of what goes on, but thank you very much.
I
Um,
am pretty sure it gets worse. Yeah.
yeah, it's
But the
getting
thing
worse.
is, if you eat it separately, right? You eat it separately, like you eat the chips separately, and then you have the
Yeah,
cream
that's
cheese
fine.
separately. It's fine, but then it's all going to mix in your stomach, right? So,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's all weird, but I
I
mean,
wonder where
people
these
have their
guys come
opinions,
from.
right? Yep.
Really, to be honest. Apple
Cheddar.
pie with cheddar on top. Seriously?
Ah,
Why,
nah,
guys? Why do you have to do this?
nah. No, don't blame them. They didn't need this. It's just weird people on the internet, as always. They're supposed to belong to the dark web, but they're here with us. So, hi if
This
you're
was,
watching, and if this is you, get help. Seriously.
yeah, you need a.
I,
If you want to approach me, I can help you on your sufferings. I can help you with your
yeah.
sufferings. So do approach me
I,
or Jeff. We're great
I
philosophers.
already find it. I find it really disturbing that my sister even puts mozzarella on eggs. So expect this. What am I supposed to say?
She
It's
puts
already
mozzarella on eggs.
yep, and I hate it. And I'm like, what's wrong with you? Are you good? She still does it. So I already find that disgusting. So and we have apple pie with cheddar on top. So that's way more disgusting than that. So cheese just doesn't go with everything unless you're a cheese person or something. I mean, so far we have only had cheeses. So
Sweet potato fries dipped in. Oh,
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
are you literally kidding? Sweet potato fries dipped in pancake syrup. That's like the most
I,
messed up shit ever. First of all,
brown
it's
sugar or something, right? It's like gulab jamun, the thing. And imagine dipping fries on gulab jamun. It's gonna taste like that. It's
Jeff.
not
What's up?
worse than the previous two, but
They're really trying
it's
to
bad.
make me. This is not a try not to make others puke challenge. So
You
don't put
can
that
make it
into my head.
visualized. You
I
can
don't want
basically
to visualize.
visualize.
I'm not visualizing this. Like sweet potato fries, that's literally already so sweet. On top of that, in pancake syrup, like what the hell were you thinking? It must have been so sweet that they hit the roof. Like, come on,
Yeah.
man.
I mean, you can't expect this sweet potato be literally sweet potato because it's sweet when you boil it, not when you like fry it in the sense. I mean, maybe a little bit more than the traditional one, but then it's kind of the same thing as the normal fry you find anywhere, like with a normal potato. So at this point, I'm just blabbering because of the crap I'm seeing.
So next is salt and chocolate milk. Okay, this is not really a bad combination. Yeah, I've seen a
I
lot
mean,
of people have chocolate milk with salt. So I
I
see
mean,
where they're trying to go with this.
it's just the why at this point. Like, why have it separately? I mean, salt with. I mean, there is something like you can add salt to lemonades and like things like that. That's a drink, but you add salt to it. It's fine. But then chocolate milk, it's more of. It's just at this point weird. I mean, it is weird food combinations after all. So,
To be honest, I really wanted to try this.
and what do you expect in return? Diarrhea?
It kind of looks like diarrhea already. So moving
Yeah,
on.
I can just get the taste already. Yeah, it's just yeah. Continue, just continue. Ice cream with infused balsamic vinegar.
No!
This is something they used to serve at the Hitler's, camps.
Ice cream. Why?
Never, ever.
I hate the smell of vinegar. It smells like sweaty feet, and you're mixing that
It is.
with ice cream. With ice cream, are you literally mad? Like, why would you do this? Why? I'm literally, to all these people that have been putting all these weird combinations, I just want to ask, what went wrong in your life that you had to make yourself suffer like this? Just again, asking you for help. Come to me or come to Jeffrin. He's a huge life philosopher. And yeah,
No, I'm just in a midlife crisis and I blabber crap. So don't take me seriously. Peace be with you, fellas. Scroll down. So
strawberries
strawberries
dipped in.
in sour cream and brown sugar.
That's
Mm.
or like, is it
Nope.
sour cream and brown sugar? Like, are you freaking kidding me? Does sour cream have onion in it?
No. That's
Oh,
just
that's sour cream
how
and onion.
chips is represented. But either way,
But sour,
brown sugar maybe I can, because I know people who sometimes put sugar on top of watermelon to make it more sweeter or something. It's not that weird, but I know stuff like that, so I don't find it so gross, because strawberry is kind of that water hydrated thing food. So but sour cream is, it's just odd, it's just odd.
yeah, it's a really weird thing. First of all,
Yeah.
just adding brown sugar makes it weirder.
Yeah.
Hot sauce on brownies and chocolate cake.
What's the point? No, seriously, what's the point? You want hot sauce? You want to try a hot sauce? Do it with
How about with fries?
If you can't get chicken, why on a brownie? What did the brownie do to you?
Poor brownie,
man.
man.
No, this picture looks like an egg. Like literally a
That's the
half
first thing
split
that really
egg.
came to my mind. I literally thought that was egg yolk on a brownie, which is fine because brownie and chocolates, they made out of egg, so no problem. And then I looked at it and I saw hot sauce, which is really messed up. Like, you guys have fries, you guys have like what, a shawarma. Put hot sauce on that. Don't
Yeah,
go
maybe, yeah.
and start putting hot sauce on a brownie. That's food cruelty.
Imagine they made a chocolate which had chilies cut on it. Imagine that. It's basically that, but then in a cake version.
Yeah.
Just odd. It's odd again. Can we stop staring at that? Yeah, that would be nice.
Mac and cheese with dill pickle. Okay, isn't that's not bad, right?
It's not bad. It's just that, I mean, it's removable because it's mac and cheese, of course. It's not something like everything else is removable, but they still eat.
I mean, there's so much cheese with pickle. Pickle with a jalapeno.
Basically jalapeno is a pickle, and we have it in like cinemas. When we have nachos, they give you the sauce, the cheese sauce, and then if I'm not wrong, and then the jalapenos, and then the nachos themselves. So I don't think it's that odd, but with the pasta, yeah, it might get a bit complicated.
Grilled braai and honey sandwiches. I don't know really what's a braai, so I can't really comment on this.
Yeah.
We're just going to
But-
put this
but-
aside for now.
Yeah, but doesn't look really appetizing as well.
Turkey and peanut butter sandwiches. Why does that sound familiar?
So the first time I heard peanut butter and jelly sandwich, I was like, that's a weird food combination. I'm like, what's wrong with you? Why would you do that? Then later, a random day, I had both in my house, and then we tried it. and actually was appetizing to eat, and I didn't think it would be that nice, but it was fine. It was better than if I just eat peanut butter or just eat jelly separately. So we never know about this because turkey on sandwiches, yes, it's pretty common. So is peanut butter, but together,
Yeah,
we don't know.
it's still weird.
Yeah, but it's not as worse as the ones we've seen previous. So I'd still say it's fine.
Tin tuna with diced apple in it.
Okay, so what is the point of your existence if you want apples inside a canned tuna? Like, what's good with you? Why do you exist?
Tuna.
Just jump. No, just jump out of the building if you have one. Or are you that poor that you can get an apple and a tin tuna? Eat it separately, fam.
Exactly.
Don't eat it together.
If you're broke, just buy an orange. I have
When-
one.
when-
I've been had.
when Ahmed says that, take it seriously, because for the past 11 years of his life, he's eating nothing but oranges for class. Literally. Okay, I know him for a long time, and we have a break in school, of course, surprise, surprise. But all he eats is an orange, and mostly it gets hogged because I don't know what's running in him, but his blood is basically vitamin C's streamlined. So one day we were talking about this, but the fact that he's eating oranges, I mean, that's every other day. But one day we thought, why not make a movie where the whole world is deficient of vitamin C and we have to take it from Ahmed's blood? What if the day comes? You never know. Ahmed is our resource, so take it.
I'm not giving my blood just because you guys can't have vitamin C. You guys are laughing at me. You guys were laughing at me when I was having orange. And guess what? I'll be the one laughing. Salt and vinegar chips in a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
It wouldn't take 2 seconds to just remove the chips and then fold the bread, eat it, and then take the chips and eat it. Why would you have to eat both at once?
I'm just
Fine,
thinking,
then.
what do the chips feel like when they're dipped in peanut butter and jelly? Ugh. So this is what
Since
is
you've
what the
been
devil
calling
eats.
me philosophical since the beginning of this video, what if we created all these food combinations we know, peanut butter and jelly, burgers with a bun on top and then a chicken, but then imagine in an alternate universe or something where people think this is normal and having a burger is a weird food combination. Imagine. We
Oh,
never know. It's just us who created everything, right?
yeah, exactly.
Could be a hell of a theory, Could be one.
Toasted bread with mayo and pineapple.
Why are these guys scrutinizing bread? I don't get the
A pineapple is my most favorite food, and I see you disgracing like that. Don't you ever disrespect pineapple like that? Don't even put it on a pizza. You don't
Man.
disrespect pineapple like that.
A man's full Mortal Kombat mode right now because he saw pineapple on a bread. He didn't get triggered so far, but
It's
on
not
the
about the
third
bread,
one-
okay? It's not about the bread. It's the fact that he dipped it in, he's having it with mayo.
Oh my god.
Hot pizza dipped in cold apple sauce.
Why?
Why?
Everything is a why. And that doesn't look like applesauce. That looks like a baby's food, Looks like that. The one where you get those in the small containers and then, you heat them. It looks like baby food basically. So look what's written. Don't knock it till you try it. Get help, man.
Yeah, why would we even want to try it? Alright, then let me just bring Maggie, put ketchup on it, put mayo, and put some mustard on it and give it to you. Would you love it? No, right? So please don't do
Probably
that.
not. But the Maggie and ketchup thing is not a weird combination for many people because I know they do that in many places.
But I'm trying my best not to drop an F-bomb because I don't want to get demonetized. Please.
And why is Camila Cabello tagged in this?
Why would you tag Camila Cabello? He has better things to do than to look at your weird combinations.
Exactly.
She's creating beautiful songs and you're here jobless in your panties and all you're having is spaghetti and banana. If you want, just have the banana solo or just have the spaghetti alone. Why do you have to mix both of them together? These types of people, they think that, oh my God, I'm going to be broke and my food is going to expire. So let me just mix everything and have it all together. These are the types of people, conjuice people.
I'm just glad I haven't seen a smoothie yet of all this stuff. I'm just glad. Please
No.
don't. And there we have it. Ahmed's
I'm leaving.
childhood
I'm
ruined
leaving.
in 1 second.
Leaving. I'm leaving. Okay,
Oh
this
my
changed my
God.
entire life. Why?
Uh,
Why do people care like this? Why are
orange
people doing
slice
this to me, man?
dipped in ranch.
Why? Jeffrey right
Oh
there,
my-
he's laughing and he's enjoying this. I know he's fucking enjoying this.
I ain't enjoying anything here, Ahmed. You made me sit in this chair. You made me do this.
He's been waiting 10 years to laugh at me like this. He's been waiting 10 years
Yes,
for this.
maybe more, Ahmed. You never know. Oh
Moving
God.
on, I'm not going to look at this.
No. Let's read what it's written down below. I'm really inclined. No. Down. Yeah. My
My
family gets
family gets
grossed out.
grossed out, but I absolutely
Okay.
love orange sections dipped in ranch dressing. You gotta try it.
Gotta try.
Y'all. I've been eating oranges alone for the past 10 years, okay? I don't need your bloody combinations. Orange already tastes good enough. Boring enough. I don't
This is what they all say. This is what they all say. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. You gotta try it. Why? You want us to not live? Fresh
peanut butter on
orange.
hamburgers. No. No freaking way.
I don't
Good
know
thing
a
it
single place that does serve this, but if you're doing this at your house, except the peanut butter part, you're a really good chef. The rest of the thing looks really appetizing. Then you put the peanut butter on it, spoiling
to be honest, the
literally-
peanut butter doesn't really look like a peanut butter.
Yeah,
It looks like
cheese,
a
right?
different type of melted cheese.
Yeah,
Pumpkin pie and ricotta cheese. It doesn't seem that bad.
but
To be honest.
if it were a different picture, I'm pretty sure it'll seem bad because some of these pictures they look good, but then in reality, if you just imagine the taste, you know how bad it is.
Exactly. So this is again like the burger. This may look good in
Yeah.
appearance, but it's gonna
Yeah.
taste like shit afterwards.
Yeah.
So that was it,
Yeah.
guys. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below. This is a very unbearable video to make. To see oranges being disgraced like that, Brooke hurt me right here
Yeah.
in the heart. I couldn't bear to see that. So, guys,
I mean,
please,
if you stick till the end of this video, right, just comment on our oranges, yeah, because then we know you bear the cringe along with us. So,
yeah,
thanks for
please
watching.
comment down
anyways.
oranges. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Jeff Mario. And don't forget to subscribe to me as well. I'm trying to hit 200 next. We keep hitting milestones. You know, nothing is impossible in life.
You're coming, damn. Yeah, come on, man.
No dream is too big to fulfill. So why not cross 200 next? Thank you so much for watching, guys. And also, yeah, here's what I really need to thank you guys for. I forgot to thank you guys really from the beginning of this video. I need to thank you again so much for 100 subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love and support. I actually didn't think that I would even make it to 50, but you guys made it possible and I got it to 100. So thank you so much. And make sure to like, share, and subscribe to me. And also, I should not be talking too much about myself. Yeah, Jeffrey to 300 subscribers. He's halfway there.
Hopefully, yeah. Yeah.
And
Okay.
peace.
Peace. Bye, guys. Thank you.